In a deep, clear lake, there lived a little fish named Finn. Finn was small, with shiny blue scales, and he loved to swim all around the lake. He had many friends, including other fish, frogs, and even turtles. Finn was known for being kind to everyone. Whenever someone needed help, Finn was always ready. One hot summer day, the lake began to dry up. The sun was shining brightly, and the water level was getting lower and lower. The fish and animals in the lake started to worry. Without enough water, they wouldn't be able to survive. Finn swam to the middle of the lake, where he met his friend, Tilly the turtle. "What will we do, Finn?" Tilly asked, looking around at the shrinking water. "There's not enough water left for everyone." Finn thought hard. He didn't want his friends to be in danger, but he was just a small fish. What could he do? "I think I know something we can try," Finn said. "Follow me." Finn swam to the shallow part of the lake and began to dig with his fins. He dug deeper and deeper until he made a small hole in the bottom of the lake. At first, nothing happened. But then, something surprising occurred. Water started to fill the hole. Finn continued to dig, and more water started to flow into the lake. Tilly and the other animals watched in amazement. "How is this happening?" Tilly asked. "Where is the water coming from?" Finn smiled. "The lake is connected to an underground river. If we dig deep enough, we can bring more water back." It took a lot of hard work, but Finn didn't stop. With each drop of water that filled the lake, he felt more and more hopeful. Slowly but surely, the water began to rise again. Soon, the lake was full enough for everyone to swim and live comfortably once more. All the animals in the lake were so grateful to Finn. They cheered and swam around him, thanking him for his hard work. "You saved us, Finn," said Tilly. "You are truly kind and brave." Finn blushed, but he was happy. "I may be small, but I knew I could help," he said. From that day on, Finn was known as the little fish with the big heart. He had shown that no matter how small you are, you can always make a big difference if you're willing to try.